The sum of the father age and the twice of the age of the son is a 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is a 95. Find their present ages. For solving this sum, we are considering x and y for the belonging ages. The sum of the father age. Here we consider the father age as a x and the age of the son age is a y. These two are present age of their present age is today's age. Father age is a x, son age is a y. First sentence: the sum of the father's age and the twice of the age of the son. The sum is the addition. The sum of the father age is x, and twice of the son age means y. Its twice is equal to 2y is equal to what? The sum is a 70. Means x plus 2y is equal to 70. We got the first equation. Then the second part. If we double the age of the father age is the x, so we double means 2x. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, what is the age of the son? We consider a y. So we add it, then what we get? If we double the age of the father, double means 2x, and add with the age of his son, means only y, then we get the sum is 95. We get the second equation as per given sentence. The two equations we got, we are finding out these two equations by elimination method. For this, we multiply this equation by 2. Why 2? Because it is easy to eliminate, because its coefficient is a 2, so we multiply here 2. Each term is multiplied by 2, means for in equation number 1, 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4y is equal to 2 into 70, 140. Equation gets changed, so we get the next number, third. This is equation number third, because we multiply to equation number 1. Then we write the second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 95 as it is. Then for eliminating the x term, we make here subtraction, means 2 minus 2, it will get eliminated. 2x minus 2x, that is a 0, minus plus, it will minus sign get changed, minus plus, here is no sign, means that is considered as a plus, minus into plus, that is a minus. When we take a subtraction, then sign will get changed. That is very simple. Then plus 4 minus 1. We are not considering this side sign. The change sign is a, here is a coefficient is 1, means plus 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Different sign, we take a subtraction 3, and bigger number sign is a plus. So plus 3y. Then 140 minus 95. 140 minus 90, it will come up 45. Therefore, 3y is equal to 45. 3 here is the multiplication, so it get transferred to the right hand side. It will become a division. Means 15 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 15s are 45. Therefore, y is equal to 15. We get the value of y is equal to 15. By putting in any equation, we get the value of x. Suppose we put this value of y in equation number 2, means 2x plus y is equal to 95. This is equation number 2. Put the value of y is equal to 15 in equation number 2. Means 2x plus y's value is 15 is equal to 95. 15 change their side, so their sign is also changed, plus become a minus 2. Then 2x 95 minus 15, the subtraction is the 18. Again this 2 gets divided, means 80 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 40s are 80. Therefore we get the value of x, that is a 40. We find out the two values x and y. X means what? The father's present age. Therefore we get the answer father's present age is what? 40. Age is included in a year, so it is a 40 year. And son, what is the son? Age, son's age, son's present age is equal to what? We consider as a 1. So it is a 15 years. So we got the solution. How many? 1.5 for sum. The denominator of a fraction is a 4 more than the twice of its numerator. This is first sentence. Fraction is written like a numerator upon denominator. This is a fraction. This like 3 upon 5. 3 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So we consider it is equal to n upon n means numerator upon denominator. What is the condition given? The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than the twice of its numerator. For that we are considering the numerator as a x and denominator as a y. So fraction is the x upon y. According to first condition, the denominator of a fraction. What is the denominator here? Y. The denominator of a fraction. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than the twice of the numerator. X is the numerator. Twice of the numerator is equal to x. Means twice of a numerator is equal to 2x plus how many? Greater, more. More means plus how many? By 4. We get the first equation. Yes, we will arrange this equation in a proper form. 2x remain as it is. Y get transferred there. That will become a minus y. 4 is transferred and right hand left we get 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Equation number 1. Then we rearrange this equation. Minus 2x from right side to the left side, sign will get changed, that will become minus. Y remain as it is and 4 is also remain as it is. That is we got the equation number 1. According to second sentence, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numbers, numerator and the denominator are reduced. Reduced means less. Reduced by a 6 means our fraction is the x upon y. It is our fraction. If we reduce both numerator and denominator means हमको इससे 6 माइनस करना पड़ेगा न्यूमरेटर से और डिनोमिनेटर से भी क्या करना पड़ेगा 6 माइनस करना पड़ेगा. Then at that time what will be the condition given? What will the condition given? Denominator becomes 12 times. Which is the denominator? This one. This is the denominator. Denominator means when we reduce by a 6 means y minus 6 is equal to what? denominator become 12 times the numerator. What is the numerator? When we reduce it by 6, it is x minus 6. How many times? 12 times. Denominator is the 12 times the numerator when we reduce it. जब हम उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को रिड्यूस करेंगे, उस टाइम क्या होगा? डिनोमिनेटर जो अभी नया डिनोमिनेटर बना है वो क्या होगा? 12 टाइम्स द न्यूमरेटर. ओके, देन we solve this again. Y minus 6 remain as it is with 12 into x. We solve the bracket 12 into x, 12x, 12 into minus 6, 12 6 are 70. Okay. Then by rearranging the equation, minus 12x, this 12x come here, minus 12x, y remain as it is, minus 72 remain as it is, and this minus 6 goes on that side, it will become a plus because this minus sign change, so plus. Then minus 12x remain as it is, plus y remain as it is, minus 72 plus 6. Here we take the subtraction. What is the subtraction? 66, and sign is a bigger number here, minus 66. Then by this is we get the equation number 2. Then we write the equation number 1. 2x plus y plus 4, that is equation number 4. To solve it, there is no need to multiply to any equation. We directly subtract this equation from 2 from 1. If we solve in the subtraction, sign will get a change, minus become a plus, plus become a minus, and plus there is no sign, means that is considered as a plus, it will be a minus. Then minus 12x plus minus 12 plus this coefficient is a plus 2. Different signs, so subtraction 12 minus 2, 10. Bigger number sign is a 10, minus 10x plus y minus y. Plus y minus y get eliminated, that is 0, and minus 66 minus 4. How many? Minus 70, because minus 66 minus 4 change sign, both signs are the same, so that will both signs are negative. Negative means there will be addition, 66 plus 4 70, bigger number sign is 70. Means minus 10x is equal to what? Minus 70. 0 get added, no change. Then by dividing both sides by minus 10, minus 10 upon minus 10, minus minus plus minus 10x upon minus 10, minus 70 upon minus 10. Same sign, so minus minus become plus, 10 10 1, 10 ones are, 10 sevens are. Therefore, x is equal to what? We get minus minus are become a plus, x is equal to what? 7. Negative negative plus, negative negative plus, same sign, that will be a positive. Then we find out the value of a, we get the value of x is equal to 7. We are finding the value of the y by putting in any equation as you like. Then we are taking this equation, equation number 1, 2x plus y is equal to 4, equation number 1. Put the value of a x is equal to 7 in this equation, minus 2 in bracket 7 plus y is equal to 4. Then minus 2 into 7 minus plus minus, here is no sign, means plus minus 7 into 2 14 plus y is equal to 4. Y remain as it is, minus 14 goes to right side, it will get sign change, minus become a plus, that is a 14 plus 4 18. we get the value of y is equal to 18. Means x value is 7, y value is 18. What is the x? That is the numerator. Means our fraction is the x upon y. By putting the value, we get the fraction. X is equal to 7, y is equal to 18. Means our fraction is the 7 upon 80. That is our final answer. Fraction is the 7 by 80. We find out this fraction.